Hello Windows Universe. In this video we are going to look at how you can easily install or uninstall fonts in Windows. For those of you wanting a more in-depth look at the topic, we will post an article in the description. Installing a font is pretty simple. Find the font that you're after. You can go to the Microsoft Store. We did a video on how to install fonts from there and we'll link to it. You can also go to other websites that offer fonts. In the article, we have a link to free font downloads. Download the font you're after. Unzip it. Extract it. Go to the OTF file. You can install it from here by clicking on the Install button, or you can go to Settings, Personalization, Font, then or dragging it from your File Explorer or your desktop and drop it to install. To uninstall a font, go to Settings. Then go to Personalization and then look for Fonts. Look for the font that you want to uninstall. Look for the Uninstall option and click on it. You can also open the File Explorer, go to C:/Windows/fonts. Click on a font and choose to delete it. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.